pulling up on our way to pick up an SR.
Who would've thought one day I would get in my way and get it like this? Work hard, play hard, is you tripping? I ain't tripping, my brother, raise your fist real quick, cause we all good. We all good.
Oh yeah, so we're just on our way to down the coast. Gonna pick up an engine, get it ready. Alright, so we just picked up this SR20 DE. It's got spun bearings, picked up for cheap. Gonna chuck it in the 180. Came with all the loom and stuff. Yeah, so all the loom, ECU, MAF, everything chucked in the 180. Should be up and running those on. Just picked some more stuff up from my mate who's got some spare parts laying around. Got an S13 rotor body, microchip, ECU, some ancient crap, got some pulleys, brand new, box never used. Good deal, cheap boy cheap.
I just ran into a bit of a problem. Our ratchet strap was ratchet and snapped. It's got a massive oil spill over here, a broken O2 sensor. I think it's time for the big boys now. Get the 2-tonner out. Shouldn't be snapping any straps anymore. Yeah, so we're just restrapping this up, but shouldn't take too long. We're not far from home yet.
Work hard, play hard, is you tripping? I ain't tripping, my brother, raise your fist real quick, cause we all good. We all good.
Hopefully get home safely. Just down the road, strapped up, ready to go. Let's try this again, huh? Back home now, safe and sound, setting up the crane.
Who would've thought one day I would get in my way and get it like this? Work hard, play hard, is you tripping? I ain't tripping.
Just gonna mount the block to the stand. Just getting out the Honda.
Whatever I can to keep you happy. Despite the days when you get a letter saying I was distracted and rapping, late to class and the teachers always got at me, but they will never understand my future plans and the reasons I did what I did. But it's like they try to tell me be like them, but I had my dream as a kid. Never in my mind that I doubt myself, but there was some times when I yelled for help.
Just pick at home now. Just put the engine down. Boys are connecting it up. Just grabbing out the loom. Got it up on the jack stand. That should be us for tonight. Try to get some more stuff happening tomorrow. Just changing, taking the headlights out. Going for SIL80 conversion, so just got to unbolt a few bolts. Just 10mm. Should be looking sweet soon. Got the pop-ups out. Just need to pop this up. Seen it here first. Hey guys, just going to Bunnings, gonna go pick up some wooden carpet, bro. S15. Yeah, sweet.
About to get some wood from my boot on my S15. And some lining for the speakers. I put a sub in my car. Yeah.
We all good. We all good. I'ma do whatever I can to keep you happy. Despite the days when you get a letter saying I was distracted and rapping, late to class and the teacher.
Got some carpet and some wood for the boots of our S15 from Bunnings. About to head home and oh my god, I don't usually drive like that. Look at Evans bring us some stickers, man. There you go. There's new stickers. Oh yeah, stick up. New stickers on. Just a bit of prep laid for it. Just get all those bubbles out. Oops, that's not meant to be there. Just checking this last one. looks good. No signs of scoring.
So just gonna put it back together, see how it runs.
We all good. We all good. We all good. We all good. I'ma do whatever I can to keep you happy. Despite the days when you get a letter saying I was distracted and rapping. Late to class and the teachers always got at me, but they will never understand my future plans and the reasons I...
Next is just cleaning up the sump, getting it prepped to put back on.
Alright, so just cleaned up the bottom end, nice and clean, ready for the RTV. Clean up the sump. So just gonna chuck this stuff on, and it should be good.
I'ma rewind the backwards, black jewel till the time comes. Real homies to real, but real friends, it'd be hard just to find one. Yellow lines is the day that I dropped 97, I see heaven as I'm pushing for the top one. Who would've thought one day I would get in my way, ain't get it like this. Work hard, play hard, is you tripping? I ain't tripping, my brother raising fists real quick, cause we all good. We all good. We all good. We all good. Who would've thought one day I would get in my way, ain't get it like this. Work hard, play hard, is you tripping? I ain't tripping, my brother raising fists real quick, cause we all...
Just cutting up the carpet piece for the S15 boot. Already done one, put this in, came out nice, should be sweet. Over the 180 front to the SIL80 front, ran into a problem with the headlights, they weren't sitting in properly, sit flush with that, but before the intercooler was up too high, just bent this down on those brackets. And just got to bend this one down so that it's molded with that, bolt it up and should be sweet. Gonna reuse this one on my brother's spare S13. Just take this bracket off, 10mm bolts. It's a bit damaged but it up. Easier than making a new one. And the 180. Got it out. There's only 3 bolts holding it in. There's a screw stuck in it, which I'm gonna drill out. And this ain't flat, so I'll straighten that up. Just gonna hammer it out like this. Hopefully come out better than what it is. Just gotta take this bracket off and bend it up, bend it down so it fits down to there. Bent it out, should fit alright. Hey, good little bend, nice and straight. Just gonna leave it in there for now. Got it all lined up, not going anywhere, no way. Fitment came out pretty good. Hooked those lights up, they need a bit of playing around with to fix. Then need indicators, should be sweet.